humidity building in the backyard, and that's where we find meteorologist Jeremy Lewan.
Hey, Scott. Yeah, tomorrow it's going to be sweltering with that added humidity. The heat combined feels like temperatures could approach, if not exceed, that triple-digit mark. So feeling a lot like the dog days of summer as we head into this end of the week. And yeah, we're going to be seeing some rain showers too, that humidity helping to really bring up the moisture in the atmosphere, cause those building clouds and also thunderstorms throughout the afternoon tomorrow and again on Friday. It looks quite unsettled for the next few days straight. Now today, technically, we haven't picked up any rainfall on any of our major cities, but I know that's going to change for Schuylkill County. You can already see some of those greens making their way in across Schuylkill County. That indicates anywhere from a tenth of an inch to maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain. We have a rain shower or two rolling into the southern tier. Nothing like what just is happening about 100 miles towards the south and east. Philadelphia, lots and lots of flood reports with 1, 2, even 2.5 inches of rain reported there, up towards New Jersey too. So some of these showers have a lot of moisture in them, and all you need to do is squeeze them out. And I do think we could see a few of those tomorrow afternoon, and again on Friday afternoon could be some isolated localized flash flooding, and also that chance for maybe some high winds with the storm that passes by. But we are still holding on to clear skies as far as Lake Wallenpaupack goes. This is the beautiful view from the observation dike. Look at that. Almost right on cue. There goes a boat on Lake Wallenpaupack. And did you know every other Sunday Lake Wallenpaupack does sailing races? So I'll be giving you your forecast for Sunday as far as winds a little bit later on, probably tomorrow. But yeah, we got blue skies over the Paupack. Current temperature right now 82 degrees with calm winds. Sunset tonight's at 8:15. There are those showers rolling into parts of the southern tier. Schuylkill and Carbon counties seeing a quick downpour near Pottsville. Headed up into parts of Columbia County next. There's that closer look. This is all surging up from the south, and it's going to continue to head into Luzerne County in the next hour or so. By Nanticoke around 8 o'clock, same for Wilkes-Barre, Scranton by 8:30 or so, and Forest City by 9. That's if it holds on to its same energy. Notice there's still some showers out towards the west too, and those are generally drifting towards the east. So we've got this general pattern on a Bermuda high directing all of this moisture out of the Gulf, and then a low pressure system off towards our west. So it brings in this moisture, funnels it right into Pennsylvania. And then we've got this round pattern coming for the next few days. We got another low pressure system behind it, and this similar story will continue to crank out the humidity. Humidity likely in that humid to tropical range all the way through next week. So when you factor that in with the heat, of course, it's going to be quite steamy out there. Now here's your dog walking forecast. This is Jax, Penny, and Fonzie, and I just love this picture. They all have their own personalities, you can tell, and I love his little tongue out. Thank you, Sherry, for sending this in. If you live further south, you're going to be dealing with a few showers. Otherwise, it's a good night to walk the dogs. Since we haven't had much sunshine, it really didn't warm up the pavement. No risk of them burning their paws, but could be a shower out there if you live in the southern tier. Now here's tonight. Notice how the activity is pretty isolated. Most of us going to remain dry, and that'll be your story tomorrow morning too. We'll start off maybe with some fog, a bit of sunshine in the late morning, and then we get a few showers going throughout the afternoon. And those that do roll through will certainly impact your day. It'll be fast moving, but it could quickly put a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of rain, and maybe 1 or 2 of them could turn severe. We'll be tracking it closely tomorrow evening. Then we don't look too active overnight Friday into Thursday into Friday, but Friday afternoon, more widespread coverage, and some of these could be juicy and could knock out some issues with flooding as we head into the day on Friday. As far as rainfall amounts go, we're expecting anywhere from a 1/4 inch to an inch, but if you get caught in a downpour, it could easily be over an inch of rain. So we'll be tracking that closely. We're under heat advisory for Carbon and Monroe counties because those feels-like temperatures could be 99, 100, 102 degrees near Stroudsburg and Lehighton. So make sure you stay hydrated. It's going to remain unsettled, Scott, as we head into this upcoming week. Not a single day without a rain risk. But this weekend is looking more dry than wet, and that is always something good to see.
Yeah, I do enjoy seeing that myself. Thank you, Jeremy.
Yep.